So do you want to become a Venom but without any special skill? In this video, we will use AI to become Venom. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First, we need to screenshot. This is the screenshot number 1 and this is screenshot number 2. And then you need to have your photo. Now press Ctrl C to copy your photo and press Ctrl V to paste your photo. Now we have to convert this photo to a smart object. And I am going to resize. Let's scale it up. Now I'm going to lower my opacity to align this with the Venom face. So I think we are good to go. Now change the opacity to 100% again. Add a raster mask. Click here. You can switch the color to black. And now select the raster mask. Click once to color the mask to a black color. Now we have to select the brush tool. Change the color to white. Right click to change the size. You can select any brush if you want to. By the way, I am using Photopea, which is the free alternative version of Photoshop. Press Ctrl Alt, hold it, use the scroll to zoom in. I'm going to lower my size of the brush and now we can brush ourselves inside the Venom. Now we can select ourselves. Select the move tool. Press Ctrl Alt, hold it, use the scroll to zoom in. We can scale this up a little bit as well. Right here, I think we are done. We can select the mask again. Now we can select the brush tool, switch the color to black. And we can cut this. Now we can right click. We can change the brush to a soft brush. Select the raster mask, change the color to black. And we can brush just like that. And we are done. This is pretty much it. Now select the move tool and we have to click here to add an adjustment layer of brightness and contrast. Right click and make this a clipping mask, so it will only affect the face, not the whole image. Now I can lower my brightness a bit. We can add a contrast, lower the brightness a bit, or we can lower a contrast a bit. Now again go to the adjustment layer and selective color this time. Change this to a clipping mask as well. Select the red color and we can change this to 80%. Now go to the neutral and we can add this 8% of black. Now if we hide this layer, we are close to the original, and this is pretty much it. Now we can select the move tool, select the first screenshot. We can press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V. Place this underneath all the layer. Now we can select this layer, press Shift. We can select the first layer to select all the layer and put them in a folder. Now we can press Ctrl, select this layer and convert this to a smart object. Now go to the filter and we can add 3% of noise. Now go to the sharpness and add smart sharpness. And we are done. Now go to the file and export this as JPEG. Double click to open the smart object. Hide the folder. Press Ctrl S to save this. Now if we go back, you can see guys, we have this result. Now we can export this as JPEG as well. Now go to KlingAI.com. Once you sign in with your Google profile, click here, go to AI videos, go to image to video, change the model to Kling 1.0, enable add end frame. Now upload the first frame and upload the second frame as well. You can also switch this frame if you want to. Now we can change the model to professional, but for use the professional mode you need to have a premium account, so we don't have one, so let's generate with 10 credits. Now I am going to delete these and let's switch these two. So this time I add myself as a first frame and add the Venom as the last frame. Now let's generate this as well. So the videos are now finally generated and these are the results. I have a premium account and here we have the professional mode result. If you regenerate your videos, you will also get some better results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. See you soon.